Most so-called quiet blenders simply operate at lower power, resulting in chunky smoothies and unprocessed ingredients. After weeks of rigorous research, I've discovered which models actually deliver a low noise output and complete pulverization. Links to each of the best quiet blenders are in the description box below. The VEVOR Quiet Commercial Blender stands out with its impressive sound dampening design. You'll appreciate the thickened soundproof cover that keeps noise to a minimum while preventing splashes and leaks. This feature makes early morning smoothie prep possible without waking the entire household. Performance is where this blender truly shines. With 6 stainless steel blades and adjustable speeds, you can tackle everything from soft fruits to ice and nuts with ease. The 68-ounce capacity jar provides ample space for family-sized batches, eliminating the need for multiple blending sessions when entertaining guests. Convenience features abound with this model. The touch control panel offers intuitive operation with 5 preset functions and 9 speeds. You can set specific blending times or use the pulse function for a quick burst of power. The self-cleaning mode is particularly helpful, running the blender at high speed to loosen stuck ingredients. The BPA-free jar feels substantial and durable. You'll also find the jar detaches easily for thorough cleaning, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. The all-metal drive mechanism represents a significant upgrade over plastic components found in less expensive models. Finding a high-powered blender that won't disturb your family or neighbors can be challenging, but Hamilton Beach has managed to create a solution with their professional Quiet Shield model. The removable noise dampening shield makes a significant difference, bringing the noise level down to a manageable 89, 90 decibels compared to the 95 plus decibels of standard high-powered blenders. Yet, power isn't sacrificed for a quieter operation. With 1,500 watts of blending capability, this machine effortlessly crushes ice and frozen ingredients thanks to its hardened stainless steel blades. The variable speed control gives you precise command over the blending process, allowing you to adjust from a gentle 3,000 revolutions per minute all the way up to a powerful 18,000 revolutions per minute for tougher ingredients. The 4 pre-programmed settings add tremendous convenience to your blending routine. Whether you're making smoothies, crushing ice, pureeing soups, or running the self-cleaning cycle, you can simply press a button and let the blender do the work. This feature is particularly helpful when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Practicality extends to the design as well. The 32-ounce BPA-free jar is shatterproof and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, and included tamper fits through the lid, helping you process thicker mixtures without stopping the blender. You can create everything from nut butters to frozen desserts with minimal effort. Apartment dwellers particularly appreciate this blender's quieter operation. Many users report they can make morning smoothies without disturbing sleeping family members or neighbors. While it's not completely silent, the noise reduction is substantial enough that you can maintain a conversation while blending, which isn't possible with most high-powered competitors, unless you're willing to spend significantly more. Checking in at number 3 on my best quiet blender list is this Powerhouse K85 blender from CRANDDI, which combines commercial-grade performance with thoughtful noise reduction features. You'll appreciate the removable soundproof cover that significantly reduces the typical blender racket, making it suitable for early morning smoothies without waking the entire house. The substantial 80-ounce container lets you prepare 8 to 11 cups at once, perfect for family gatherings or meal prep sessions. With 1,500 watts of power, the K85 handles tough ingredients with ease. 6 stainless steel blades spinning at up to 24,000 revolutions per minute make quick work of everything from frozen fruits to ice, and you can easily customize textures using the 9-speed dial that can be adjusted mid-blend, giving you complete control over your creations. Cleanup couldn't be simpler with this model. The BPA-free pitcher features self-cleaning capability. Just add water and a drop of dish soap, run briefly, and rinse. The included tamper helps move stubborn ingredients toward the blades without stopping the machine, ensuring smooth results even with thick mixtures. Also, the built-in pulse function provides an extra burst of power when needed, which is perfect for chopping vegetables or crushing ice to your preferred consistency. If noise reduction and professional-grade performance are your priorities, the CRANDDI K85 delivers impressive results without the extreme volume typically associated with powerful blenders. Next up on my best quiet smoothie blender list, we have the popular Blendtec Professional 800. If you love making morning smoothies but hate waking up your family, the Blendtec Professional 800 solves this common kitchen dilemma with its groundbreaking sound dampening technology. You'll immediately notice how the proprietary noise reduction system allows for normal conversation even while the powerful motor is running at full capacity. What makes this blender truly special is its versatility. From frozen treats to hot soups, the Professional 800 handles it all with ease. The 11-speed touch slider gives you precise control over the blending process, while the pre-programmed cycles take the guesswork out of creating perfect batters, mixed drinks, smoothies, and even hot soup that's ready to serve directly from the jar. The included Wildside Plus jar creates a unique vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blade instead of pushing them outward. This clever design eliminates the need for a tamper and ensures smooth, consistent results every time. You'll appreciate how this feature reduces prep time and simplifies the entire blending process. Cleaning this machine couldn't be easier. Simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap, then press the self-cleaning button. Within seconds, your blender jar is spotless with minimal effort required. This time-saving feature means you can enjoy your creations without dreading the cleanup afterward. Safety was clearly a priority in the Blendtec's design. Unlike conventional blenders with dangerously sharp blades, the Professional 800 features patented blunt blade technology that's both safer to handle and more durable. The blade is 80% thicker and 10 times stronger than typical blender blades, which contributes to the machine's ability to crush ice and blend tough ingredients with remarkable efficiency. If you just want to buy the best quiet blender on the market, then this commercial-grade blender from Vitamix lives up to its name as the quiet one, making it perfect for households where noise is a concern. You'll appreciate how it lets you blend at any hour without waking the family. The 48-ounce Triton container offers ample capacity for family-sized smoothies while remaining BPA-free for your safety. With 6 touch control buttons offering 34 program options, you're getting unprecedented versatility. You can fine-tune your blending experience whether you're making protein shakes, soups, or frozen cocktails. Many users report that smoothies come out perfectly creamy every time, with no chunks of ice or fruit remaining. The magnetically secured back cover reduces cleaning time, a thoughtful design feature that makes maintenance much simpler. Made in the USA, this Vitamix model showcases the brand's commitment to quality construction. The stainless steel blades make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, from frozen fruits to ice cubes. Despite its power, the compact design allows for convenient storage, with a stackable, removable cover that helps it fit in tighter spaces. Your countertop will thank you for choosing a blender that balances performance with aesthetics. For those who use blenders frequently, this model can actually save you money in the long run. Multiple reviewers mentioned that the quality and performance completely eliminated their need for juice bar visits. Okay, so there you have it. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on the best quiet blender. Links to each product mentioned are in the description below.